boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. To a very cool song here from JESSIE WARE. I think it's the first time here in Growing Guitar. It's the song Begin Again. So it has something over it. I don't know why I connected with some James Bond song. Could fit in one of these older movies or so. I don't know why. Perhaps it's the corporation. Anyway, a cool song to learn, so let's take a look at this one. No need for any cape on this. We have a couple chords to go over, but they will go in the same order through the entire song. So even if they are a couple, I think there are 7 different chords, it will be pretty easy to play it anyway. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the D minor, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. So C next, that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the A sharp. I'll go with the sus version here. So that's a bar chord. You place a bar here on the first fret. You bar all strings except for the last E here. So from bottom up, it's 5 strings. And then the rest will be third on D and third on G. Then comes the A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Then we have bar chords here coming up. We have first the G minor. That's a bar here on the 3rd fret over all strings. And then the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. And then you move down to this position. That's the F. You place now a bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And then we have finally the E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And that is almost the corporation. It will be D minor, C, A sharp, A, G minor, F, and E. In the order we learn the chords, but it also ends with the A. So that is the last chord. All right, so now finally just let's take a look at the strumming pattern. It's a pretty long one, all right? So let's grab the D minor since that is the first chord. One strumming round will be down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. All right, so like this. Slowly, down, clap, then comes down, up, down, clap, down. Down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. I'm gonna play one of these strumming rounds per chord, and it goes in that order through the entire song. So a little bit slower than standard tempo with the corporation here. It will be D minor, C, A sharp, A, G minor, F, E, and A. Standard tempo. Alright, so that is pretty much JESSIE WARE's Begin Again. Give it a try, guys. Great way to practice chord switches there. And yeah, till next time, play tuned.